True English Academy Listening Program. Listening. Connectors with present progressive. Instructions. Listen to the following sentences and circle the connector you hear for each sentence.
Number 1. I am staying late at the office because I am finishing this report. Number 2. She is cooking dinner and listening to music at the same time. Number 3. Ron is hiking tomorrow, but the weather forecast predicts rain. Number 4. He is reading while he is commuting to work on the bus. Number 5. I am preparing the snacks, meanwhile, my family is watching TV in the living room. Number 6. We are planning a trip to Italy because we love Italian cuisine. Number 7. They are buying a new home and selling their old apartment. Number 8. She is practicing tennis every day, but she is not ready to compete yet. Number 9. The children are playing in the garden while their parents are preparing lunch. Number 10. He is working extra hours because he is saving to buy a new car soon. Number 11. She is studying law and working part-time at a law firm. Number 12. I am taking an online course because I am looking for a better job. Number 13. We are remodeling the kitchen and updating the living room furniture. Number 14. He is going to bed early because he is working tomorrow morning. Number 15. She is working now, but he is finishing in 1 hour.